Hello everyone, my name is Likit. Today I would like to demonstrate an web app I built, VirtuOS, a computer use application. So here is general chat area where you can see here whether the the API key you connected is uh, currently present or not. This is sidebar where you can collapse it or expand it. Here all your previous chat are stored. You can initiate a new chat by clicking new chat, and you can delete the chat by clicking delete icon. And the search bar is used to search your task based on its name. So you can see it does that functionality. And this settings bar is used to select the model. See, here you have Google, OpenAI, Anthropic, XAI. Can you can select the latest model and get their API key and connect it, and you can save the settings. So that is the chat area. Here you can start or stop a virtual machine. The virtual machine I use is Arch Linux, but with KD Plasma. But you can use any virtual machine you like. And this is your chat box or prompt input box. So here you can do basic chat functionalities like definition of cyclone. Let's say. So it gives out definition of cyclone. You can also attach images files like your normal chatbot. So you can attach this image and say what is in it, and the AI then AI will show the information about. It's a basic chat functionality with all AI. And this is I would like to show you. This is your VM area, virtual machine area, where you would interact with your virtual machine. This is your virtual machine relate to your screen using NoVNC and WebSockets. So you can do basic things you can do in computer, open, browser, play music, etc. Before that, before we dwell into computer's application, I would also like to demonstrate its ability. Here you can click start voice input, and instead of typing out, you can give voice commands. It runs on a free model from OpenAI Whisper. So here you can give out. So now I would like you to show out the computer use application. So you can give it a basic task like open Zen browser. It performs this action in four part movement. First is take screenshot, second part is analyze screenshot, third part is execute an action, and fourth part is to continue this loop till the maximum iteration 10 is reached or the task is performed. After opening Zen browser, you can also say open YouTube. And as you can see, it performed a task. After performance, it show how many steps did it take and the final message. And also, you don't have to give the systematic commands like open a Zen browser, open YouTube. Even some vague commands like open my mail. It can perform these actions too with surprising accuracy. So now I would like to show you how I built it. So here you can see my chat sessions with Uh, the models I used to develop this application are Gemini 3.0 Pro and mainly Claude Opus 4.5 with GitHub Copilot. So this is the terminal where the actions of agent thinking, clicking, thinking, analyzing, taking screenshot, performing an action, or giving basic LLM output, all options through this terminal. So first file I would not go through every single file, but I would like you to show main files. So here we separated our entire code to backend, front end, and Electron. Electron is useful to convert websites into web apps. It's a Chromium based wrapper basically. I use it to create apps, and also it helps in debugging. This app is built using White plus React. For White is useful for auth module replacement if you have idea about it. So first file I would like you to show you is computer use agent. So here the we set up the VM resolution is 1280 by 800. So according to that we give some basic width, height coordinates to AI. So here we set up our all known locations, like for every task opening like basic Zen browser app which we repeat many times. Instead of using AI, we hard coded that part. So in the previous action, when I say open Zen browser, open YouTube, the Zen browser part will basically not use AI. It would open based upon the known locations, but the open YouTube parts happens after the iterations. I said the four-part iteration. So next part it calculates the click based on the coordinates and all. So here I would like to show, maybe it's in the chatbot JS. Yeah, this is the system prompt we give to get the result we want of click. This could be improved to improve the accuracy. Right now, for simpler tasks like clicking an application, the accuracy is very high, but the multi-part approach, like opening mail, where it has to open first Zen browser, then open mails, or if you give very advanced task like send a mail to somebody, it would need one L of a system prompt. Right now, I also think the accuracy could be improved by using a paid API service and using an advanced API like GPT 5.2 or Gemini 3.0 Flash. And also, this is VM controller. Here where we defined all our actions like click, type at, mouse drag, execution to tool, mouse click, and as I said. And coming to front end, it is, as I said, White plus React based application. We have all our components like chat area, sidebar, settings page, VNC viewer. So this is our README. Electron README would tell you how to set up Electron and where to install. Technical report tells you in detail about. If you want to know more about this project, you can go in detail in technical report. So if you want to mess with things, or if you want to clone it and add new features or change some things, or see the full code and every single file, you can do it in my GitHub repository. You can search for Likit 9010, then VirtuOS for this GitHub repository, or I would share the link in the description where you can check it out. And also, if you want to raise PR requests to add new features or improve efficiency, and also you can do it. I would also like to show what in areas where you can raise PR requests, where click accuracy, task completion, speed, error recovery, local AI models, and main feature which still is yet to build is using SQL or NoSQL databases to store messages, which now we use local storage. So feel free to raise any PR request. I would check it and come and merge them. Thank you for listening to me and go coming to for this part, coming till this part of the video.